Hi, I'm Sheena Suvak, Lincoln Electric, and today we're going to show you on the Cooper app how to take an existing program and customize and make adjustments. So here we have a program that we already have set here, and we're using the bucket 3, so all the welding parameters associated with the material thickness of 1/8 inch. So we want to make a change up. We can easily do that by just going to another bucket up. We realize maybe instead of that material, we want to be a little thicker. So we can make that adjustment really quick. And as you can see on that line item on the program, it went from a 3 to a 6. Now let's say we run that program and we want to customize, make some adjustments like wire feed speed or voltage. So you go here and you copy from that. So we can call it, we'll just keep it custom 8. And we're copying whatever is there. We're going to hit this little pen here where we're going to edit it. This video pops up identifying how to get to the tuning app to make those tweaks, adjustments. So say, okay, go out to the main menu, tuning app. You can see the bead, the data name was at custom 8. And here on the bead information, you can see that there's the weld speed. The biggest things that you'll probably make adjustments on is the voltage. So you're able to just easily go from the 0.97 to 1 and just see how that comes when you're qualifying the weld for this part. Or you say, hey, I want to make a slight adjustment on the wire feed speed as well. You might go from 650 to a 670, stuff like that. Also, from the start to the end, you'll see that on the top menu here, where you might be quicker or slow up in the beginning, and then maybe same thing as you're going towards the end of the weld, slowing up and going quick.